So guys, here is an easy way for you to remove your background for free using Capcut, and I'm talking about in a video. So if you're interested in removing your background or changing the background of your video for free in Capcut, this is how. So first off, of course, you go to Capcut, then you select a new project and select the video that you want to change the background of. So right now I'm going to select a video. So let's say I select this particular video. Let's see. So it will be uploaded to Capcut. So you can see it's a video. You can see somebody talking in it. So you click on add. So when as soon as the timeline of your video appears, as you can see, you want to go down, you want to select the timeline. As soon as it's selected, then you go to the menu at the bottom, then you click on remove BG. You're going to see it. When you click on it, you have these three options. You want to go for the one at the center, the manual one, because the other ones are pro, they are not free. So it takes you to this place. Then you select your brush. Then when you select your brush, you can reduce the size on this line. Then you want to go ahead and use the brush to paint the person. You understand? Don't paint the background, paint the person. You can see when you paint the person red, just it mustn't be perfect, but just make sure you get every feature of the person that is talking in the video or whatever it is that you want to remove the background from. Then once you finish selecting, Capcut will automatically tell you that it is applying the selection. Then you have to wait. So you can see it says applying custom removal. So when it is you have to wait. When it is complete, that's that ring near the applying custom removal will change green. Then you know it is complete. Then you now see that your background has been removed. So as you can see, the background has been removed. So now we're now going to proceed to add a background that we actually like and that will represent our brand or whatever we want to portray. So you want to deselect the clip, then you go down to the menu, go to background. So when you select background, this menu pops up, then you want to select image, then select an image that you have already downloaded. So when this menu pops up at the bottom, the second box, that's where you can access the images on your device. So when you click on, you can see the images, then you go ahead and select the one that you want to apply as a background. So we're going to select an image right now. So when you select, you click on apply. And voila, you can see the background is automatically applied, and boy doesn't it look pretty. So this is how, guys, you can easily change your background for free on Capcut. Of course, you can use automatic change of background, but you have to pay for that. So I hope you have learned one or two things from this video. If you have, please do give the profile a follow, like and comment to spread the word. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.